big. It's bigger than my face. Face reveal ba, guys? Face reveal ng nagbabalat, guys. Gusto nyo makita, guys? Beauty with brain yan, guys. Really big.
So big like a plant.
Parang kayo ako nakita ng ganyang kalaking mango na antigang. Oo.
Fun.
Maswerte ko pala.
Not big.
Malaki yung binigay sa
Not big.
Ang malaking binigay niya nun yung apple mango, sis. Mas malaki dyan. Oo, ganyan ata sa ulo mo.
Oh?
Oo, ganun kalaki. Last year. Guys, look, oh, sis, yung kamay. Tapos ang nip out. Sorry guys, take 2.
Makatrauma yung sugat ko eh.
Iwi ko nga yung ano nga na sis, yung buto. Itanim ko. Tatanim mo ba? Ha? Ako na lang magtanim.
Hindi ko mabubuhay sa buto.
I love it.
Getting hungry for that mango now. I didn't expect that big mango.
It's too big. Diba? Wait.
Guys, look how big is it.
And the slice look like apple.
Yeah. Haluin ko sis? Haluin ko ba? Gusto mo? Ate, come here. Can you hold this like that? Like that. Yan. Come closer. Yan, yan. You wait for it kasi.
Guys, look how big.
Too big.
Oh wow.
See? This is so scary.
Oh wow.
I should be very careful.
Like your hand before you got hurt.
Yeah. So big.
So big. It's more bigger than your face. Look at the mango, guys.
Okay na yung
like
repolyo.
this.
Repolyo.
So, yeah,
Repolyo.
this is the most sweetest mango you ever try it, guys. I promise.
Sis, uber matigas ka.
Ay, oo. Oo.
Mamaya ako hindi.
Ayoko din yung sobrang malambot. Gusto ko yung sakto lang. Yung al dente, ganun.
Look how nice it is. And look at the mango there, guys. They're cutting. Look at this, guys. And the slice of mango.
Happy na ito yung video. Pero sakto na yung pizza.
Look at the mango, guys. The mango is so tasty. I'm gonna show you the upper part, guys. Oh, look, it's so delicious. Look at the boom. Look at the boom. Look at this, guys. This is the perfect mango that I made. I mean, this is the perfect mango. I think when you try it, this is so sweet. When you try this, guys, like this, so nice, right? The mango looks so tasty. Look at the mango, and look at the upper part.